This video we are assembling the Lamb Easel card. This is an A2 card. The card base you're just going to fold in half, and then you've got this bottom quarter here. You're going to fold this down. I've put my liner in on the bottom, and then this frame here we're going to attach to the bottom of the card. You want to get it close to the bottom edge. And you will want to use foam tape so that this has something to tuck behind, okay? And we're going to set that aside and work on our lamb. I'm going to start with the head. And I'm going to glue this piece right behind. And that lines up right to the top. And I probably should have popped up the head. I wasn't thinking and got ahead of myself. So I'm going to do this part. Now she has a little bow for her head. And I am going to pop that up. And then you're going to glue this onto this base. These cards are very quick and simple. They'd be good cards to let your kids do, maybe for their Sunday school teachers. And then we're just going to glue this right to this bottom quarter. I'm going to put the glue on this piece. You just want to line this right up to the bottom of this piece. And that is your card closed, and then when you open it, it tucks right behind the frame. And this is the Lamb Easel card. Thank you for joining me.